30 miles further than what I was before. Business from Largo. Give me 1 second, guys. Sun Solutions Tinting. This is Patrick. That's correct. Actually, Largo Window Tinting is a call center. We're home based out of Hudson, but we service all over the Tampa Bay area. You looking to get your car tinted? House? Yeah, absolutely. What kind of car do you have? Kia Forte 2020. Okay, so we have 3 different options available. All 3 options look exactly the same side by side by side. The only differences would be the amount of heat rejection that they provide. Okay, so my entry film is a carbon film. It blocks about 23% of heat. My standard film is a ceramic film that blocks about 64. And then my high performance film blocks over 96% of heat. Substantial differences between the 3. And then they're priced that way just to be able to fit most budgets. Our entry film starts off at $249. That's for the sides of the back. Our standard film goes for $399, and then our high performance goes for $549. And then we do have windshield options available as well. Which one do you think works best for you? Oh yeah, feel free to call around for sure. Make sure that when you are calling around though, you're comparing apples to apples, oranges to oranges, right? So someone might do a car for a little bit cheaper, but what are you getting for that? Is it a dyed film? Does it block only 10% of heat? Is it only going to last for 3 years? That could end up costing you in the long run versus maybe paying a little bit more upfront, but having a film that blocks a little bit more heat rejection and that has a longer lifespan, that has a longer warranty, things of that nature. So make sure to keep those in mind when you are shopping around. But feel free, if you want to work with us, we'd love to work with you. Feel free to give us a call back and we'll get you set up. Of course, all our films, not just one, but all 3 of our films come with a premium lifetime warranty. That covers bubbling, peeling, fading, delamination, basically film failure. For the life of your car, as long as you own the car, if it bubbles, peels, fades, or does anything like that because of the film, you bring it back to me. It's not going to cost you a dime. All it's going to cost you is a little bit of your time. Feel free to sit in our waiting area and we'll get it taken care of you free of charge. Also, that doesn't cover like if the glass breaks or if like you scratch it, self-damage, but we do offer an in-house no-fault warranty. Basically, it's an additional warranty on top of the factory warranty, and that would cover against breakage or self-damage, and that covers up to 2 roll-up windows. Yeah. Installation time frame usually takes about 2 to 3 hours for the sides and the back. If we added the windshield, you probably add another hour on top of that. So, and then we have a waiting area here, comfortable waiting area. We got water, sodas, coffee, snacks, things of that nature. Very comfortable. AC. Yeah, this is Sun Solutions Tinting. So the Largo office that you called is actually a call center, and it redirects the calls to us. So, and that's what you're calling now. So, yeah, we're on 19 in Hudson, just south of County Line Road. Yeah. Did you want to go ahead and book an appointment? Beautiful. Yeah, absolutely. You can definitely. My soonest availability, I have something in the morning tomorrow, so either something in the afternoon tomorrow, afternoon, or I can get you in as soon as the day after. Hmm. So there is no Largo location. That's just a call center. So it's, yeah, so we're home based out of Hudson, Yes, ma'am. Yeah. So, oh, I completely understandable. It is a bit of a drive, but I mean, for getting quality installation, good quality film, and pretty much the last time you're getting tint in your car, it's better to drive far once instead of driving short a bunch of times because there's mistakes and replacements and blah 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 blah. You know, so you get what you pay for in this industry. All right. Ceramic, yeah. So that's our standard film. We actually have 2 options for ceramic. Our entry standard ceramic blocks, or not entry standard, excuse me. Our standard ceramic blocks 64% of heat, and my high performance ceramic blocks over 96. Correct, 399 or 549. And when you come in, I have a heat box demo, so you can feel the difference of the 3 different film options, and then you can feel for yourself like where your money's going. It's kind of hard to wrap your head around like the numbers, but when you feel it, it makes total sense. So feel free to come in, check it out. Thank you. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.